Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm super glad to be back with you here today. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. That would be very cool indeed. Speaking of cool things, let's get to it. This look is with the Weirdo Palette that I got in my deluxe box and I love it. Of course, this is Weirdo on the lips with a little 6 feet under for gloss. It's very cool. I'm loving the look. Speaking of Weirdo and mystery boxes, I've got my Supreme and it is heavy. It is a heavy box and it rattles around. So I'm gonna sit it to my, I'll cut it open in front of you. And let's get inside and see what I got. Is it the same as you got? Did you not get one at all? Is it different? We shall see. And we opened it up and it looks like this. And this is the Weirdo palette, so I don't need to open this up, so that's cool. Oh, this is funny. I sold this not too long ago. It's a Shane Dawson, Jeffree Star collab mini controversy. I don't know if it's the one with the green or not. I guess I should open it up and see. Let's just see if it's the one with the green, because the one I had before didn't have the green in it. So I might keep it if it's got the green. You know, because I love green. Green, black, and purple are my favorite colors. It is the one with the green. So maybe I'll keep it. Maybe I will keep it then. All right. Enough of that. I got... Oh, wow. I got the Cremated Palette, which I already have, and you guys know what that looks like. I'm so excited. I got the Love Me Not bundle, and it's got all the reds, and I got my other one that I got was Nudes Volume 2, and I love some red lippies. And this makes my little dark heart sing. Fantastic. Now let's take a look at what I got in with the individual things. So I got the lip pencil for Unicorn Blood, which is a deep dark ox blood color. And I do have the lippy for it. So but I don't usually do pencils. And then the Magic Star concealer in pale yellow. No thanks. I got the special edition. What the hell is it called? Witch's Brew Lip Scrub, which smells like black licorice. This is the $200 box, by the way. And then I got, oh, the Magic Star setting powder in rose. I will use that. That's very cool. I got Velvet Trap in Red Affair. Which is a gorgeous red. That is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I got a single shadow of Flourishing, which is like a teal color. And I do have my magnetic palette over here. And I'll add it to this collection of weird colors. Then I have, ooh, Cherry Wet. I don't have this lippy. And I love reds. Let's take a look. is a brilliant red. It's like a true red. That is awesome. And then I have the gloss in Mouthful, which looks to be kind of a champagne color. I have a lot of the glosses and nudie champagne colors, so I don't really need it. So this is great. It might go in a giveaway. Oh, I got another loose shadow, and it is in Orange Juice, which is a beautiful orange color. And I've got Jeffree Star Skin little promo card. Oh, something else fell down. And this is Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Assets. Oh, it's a lip, an eye pencil. That's a pretty green. I'll keep that. That'll look good with something. So far, pretty good. My deluxe was fantastic though. And then this is a hand mirror. Gotta break the seal on it. I haven't peeked at anybody else's videos, so I don't know what other people got. I like to be surprised. There's several things that I'm very excited about. I'm really excited about this so much. And this lippy and the rose powder. Ooh, this is very cool. I look good in this mirror. This mirror is probably going to go up on Mercari, because I don't really use hand mirrors, but that's a very cool mirror. And then it looks like last but not least is my hoodie. In size 3X. I love a black hoodie, if you didn't know. Oh, this is a nice size. It's got like a burnt sienna kind of Jeffree symbol. Oh, cool. And then the back has this spider web. And these hoodies are at least, like, he usually charges like $70, $55, $65. This is great. So I got the hoodie, the mirror, the lippy bundle, cremated, mini conspiracy, weirdo, a green eyeliner, a beautiful shimmery lip gloss, 2 single shadows, the rose, the velvet with the red affair, and then Magic Star yellow concealer in blood and unicorn blood. It's good. I said this, the cherry wet, very nice. I'm gonna say I loved my deluxe better. This is my first time getting a Supreme, but there's quite a few things that I'm very excited about. And between this and the hoodie and the powder, I mean, I got my money's worth. I definitely got my money's worth of stuff that I like. So, pretty good. Will I do another Supreme? Not so sure, but I will always get the deluxe. Thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.